Hi, so I'm back uh, from outer space or something. Um, I was, my intentions was to release this video um, a couple of months ago, but unfortunately life kind of got in the way. Um, I finished 2023 by doing some of my greatest work, my best work, um, shooting early mornings in my hometown of Luleå. And my intentions with those photographs was to complete a little project, um, make redo my website, um, and kind of put it all together into a single project um, called what was it? Empty anonymity, empty something. Anyway, anonymity, empty anonymity. Um, Shooting people in the dark, just making them kind of become shadows with the theme of with the thought of that people kind of lost contact with each other lately, and mostly because of social media, I believe. Um, so yeah, we're just anonymous people running around the streets, um, minding our own business and not caring so much for each other like we used to or should do. Anyway, life got in the way. I made a website. I published images, photographs, and then my back threw in the towel. And after that, my sciatic nerves in both legs kind of worked over, shift, went nuts. So I haven't been able to sit or stand or lay down properly for a couple of months. Um, so I couldn't do this video. That I should have done in January. So yeah, I don't really know what to talk about right now, but I found an old notebook with notes I've written down for upcoming videos. So I'll kind of reintroduce this channel, and I'll put together a list with things you won't find here or will ever find on this channel. So yeah, when my nerves healed up and my back healed up, I sliced my thumb open with a knife during Easter dinner. So I haven't been able to do any photography for a couple of months, and not even play video games uh, like I wanted to. So now I'm back from outer space. And yeah, um, this is my list of 5 things you will never find on this channel. And after that, I will show you some of the photographs from my project. And if you want to see everything, you need to go to my website, link in the description. So I was too lazy to put in contact, so glasses. So I find most of these kind of lists 5 things to do, 5 things not to do, to be kind of silly, but yeah, so this is with a bit of irony or sarcasm. So let's dig in. Sponsors. You will never find any sponsors on this channel, unless it's DJI, Samyang, or Sony. and those companies will never sponsor me. And I have no intention of getting sponsors. I just want to do my thing, and I don't want to be dependent on sponsors and having to do things I don't want to do just to get paid. Reviews. This isn't a tech channel. And I won't be. I have no intention of becoming an influencer with any kind of sponsorship. So if I do any kind of, if I talk about any kind of gear, it's gear I either bought or borrowed, and it will be my honest opinions about that. Tutorials. There are, no, let me rephrase that. I am good at Photoshop. I've been using Photoshop since version 4. I'm just tired of teaching. I used to teach for a company I worked on called Telia. I used to travel around Sweden and teaching new employees the ropes. And besides, I don't have time to do any tutorials, and regarding photography tutorials, there are a lot of channels that are better than me on showing that. And the same goes for Photoshop channels. And the fourth thing you will never find on this channel is a list of stuff just to get views. So you won't find any lists of these are the best settings for 2024. This is the best camera setting for 2024. This is the best Photoshop setting. This is how you use Photoshop in 20. No, no bullshit like that. I will give you my one single best setting for a. This is for a Sony camera, but this is the best setting ever for any camera, digital camera, or any battery operated camera. The best setting. Turn it on. So that's my short list of best settings. You will never find anything like that. The fifth thing you will never find on this channel is pointless lists like the one I just read to you. No, you will never find any more lists like this on this channel. This channel is mainly, or will be mainly, about my photography, photographs I take, books I read, maybe some. I have a big interest in music, so I might talk about music sometimes that inspires me. And if I find any interesting YouTube channels regarding photography or art, I might talk about them too. But I will never review any other people's work unless they ask me to. And I will never do any hardware reviews unless it's something I bought. So yeah. That's about that. Now, please enjoy my anonymous project 2-3 months too late. And have a great one. Next time, I'll talk about something else.